kid, one of the big features about the Vespia next generation is the ability to control your straps and your namis and the little miscellaneous things that you may want to be different than the defaults. So we've created a BUA area in the master files chart right there. This chart controls everything in the software. I have about that. So let's just click on 2-inch and let's click on 2-inch AMT. So from this chart, we're going to click on 2-inch AMT. So these are the connector types that we're going to have. And let's just click on steel set screw. So with steel set screw, we're having plastic bushings, steel couplers, rigid manis. So we're going to use our mani choices. They're going to be a 45, a 90, a regular EMT 90, and a 2-inch field bend. Now, if there's any reason you would want additional choices for your 2-inch namis, you can add anything that you'd like. Or here you have different strap types. These are all your strap types. And for trapeze, this is all the material that make up that one trapeze assembly. You can adjust everything in here, have it completely, and stay on down to what screws you use for which straps. And then you'll check a default. So our 2-inch 2-hole strap is going to be the default for a 2-inch EMT raceway. If you will change that, you certainly can change it here real quickly. Or if you want to add additional straps or additional 90s to any product in the database, it's very doable. So this the smallest crane, but it has a million choices in it, literally a million choices in it. So if you want to doctor these choices or modify them, you can do it. So here's all your 2-inch. That's just for set screw. So you'd have the same selection for steel compression. You have the same selection for die cast and set screw tie cast compression. So there are lots of different choices. Have all been made for you, but you can change them at will. And this is all your raceways. So you have aluminum, AMT, flex, rigid, IMC, PVC 40, PVC 80, which is something new. So I hope that helps. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.